to send view one photos or videos on Messenger. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can send view one's photos or videos on Messenger. The first thing you want to do is open the Messenger app on your phone. Make sure to log into your account. Now select an existing chat or start a new conversation. Now you want to tap on the camera icon over here, or you can also select any photo from your gallery. Go ahead and take a photo by tapping on the capture button, or record a video by holding the capture button. After selecting your photo or video, you can customize it by adding text, add GIFs or stickers. Now look at the bottom left corner to choose the viewing mode. Here, you want to tap on the View Once option. When you do this, the recipient can open the photo or video only one time. Once you have selected that, go ahead and tap on the Send option. And that's it. Your customized photo or video will be sent according to the viewing option you selected. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.